Hello and welcome. Growing red radish in containers can be fun and easily accomplished by beginners as well. They reach a harvesting stage in less than 40 days. They require no special containers or soil. A good mix of garden soil and organic compost will be more than enough for a great harvest. Make small holes with a finger. Drop 1 or 2 seeds in each hole. Cover with the same potting soil and water thoroughly. Thin the seedlings to 1 plant per hole. The plants grow very quickly and produce young and fresh leaves. Soon, the portion of the stem in contact with the soil starts to make a bulb. Once they are the size of a table tennis ball, they are harvested. Wash them thoroughly in clean water. Raw red radishes are crisp, crunchy, and watery with a sharp, peppery, and slightly spicy flavor. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.